Hello, hi, and welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of my brother's keeper. Uthoba no Didi indaba yabo iyaphuma ne. Iphuma kanjani? Hayi aba nje uThoba uyahluleka ukwenza ihashash yale relationship. Uthoba wants to be in love, Uthoba wants things to happen. But here's the thing. Usibusiso find them doing and then usibusiso left angala. Usibusiso ngiyazibusa ungalelani because of bongamthandi lo girl from the word go. So why all of a sudden are you playing like this? But nonetheless, he decided to leave. And remember, Ubaba Kathoba was Undumis was hyping up a relationship Kathoba, not knowing ukuthi Uthoba in a relationship no Didi. And then get Ukathoba bakola into order because you cannot be discussing indaba zomjolo while there's a child there are kids missing. Remember, umntwana no Musa no Nqubeko, they are missing. Bathathe ubani no Ufakazile no Nqubeko, bathathe ubani bathathe no Musa. Afike-ke umama kaNomusa naye amtshele way to get off ukuthi ngabe wahlukana nendoda kamunye umuntu ngabe awukho la. Furthermore, wena Nqubeko ngabe washo kuNomusa ukuthi awusamfuni wangayenza itori. UNomusa would have never cheated on you. You know deep down ukuthi uNomusa would have done everything and anything for you. So when you took an opportunity because Unomusa could not give you children and dump her like a bag of hot potatoes simply because you got somebody who was able to give you two sons. Remember, they are saying two sons because omunye ubaba kushonile. So now by default, because Unqubeko is now the husband, he's the baby daddy, right? Okay, sharp. Angazi imoto istake khona lapho. Ugel asendele umamakhe i-location uNomusa. Umama kaNomusa sent the location to Unqubeko and they finally found the children, excuse me. But now, what is going to happen to Nomusa? Will she be arrested or will she be free?